does the Beaufort scale measure blizzard wind speeds? Imagine standing outside during a fierce winter storm. The wind howls so loudly that it's almost deafening. You see trees bending and snow swirling around you. How do we figure out just how strong that wind is? That's where the Beaufort scale comes in. The Beaufort scale is a way to estimate wind speed based on what you can see and feel. It was first made for sailors to judge wind at sea, but now it's used everywhere, including during blizzards. The scale goes from 0, which means calm, all the way up to 12, which is hurricane force. Each level matches a certain wind speed and describes what happens in the environment. During a blizzard, winds are usually at least 35 miles per hour, which is about 30 knots. When winds reach this speed, the Beaufort scale says it's at least a force 7, called a near gale. At this level, you can see large trees moving and snow drifting heavily. As the wind gets stronger, it can reach force 8 or more, causing twigs to break off trees and making walking very difficult. Force 9, or a strong gale, means winds are between 41 and 47 knots, or 47 to 54 miles per hour. At this point, structures might start to get damaged, and it's nearly impossible to walk against the wind. When the wind hits force 10 or higher, it's considered a storm or even hurricane force winds. These can cause widespread damage, power outages, and dangerous travel conditions. Meteorologists and emergency responders use the Beaufort scale during blizzards to quickly understand how strong the wind is, especially if their instruments aren't working or to double-check readings. This helps them send out warnings and prepare for the storm's impacts. Knowing the wind speed helps everyone stay safe by understanding how severe the weather is and what actions to take. So, in a blizzard, the Beaufort scale turns what you see and feel into a clear picture of wind strength, helping keep people safe during these wild winter storms.